You know glass, you know a glass, yes. Unajua glass and many a times unajua glass manzewa inatumika kwa vitu mob, lakini imagine a broken glass. Wanadaisha broken glass huwa dangerous tena sana. And so unaweza kuwa hapo hivyo and unapitia maybe ka situation ka circumstance na kama kuwa difficult manze. Things are just breaking you up. Just here to encourage you kukwambia just like a broken glass huwa dangerous. Sometimes manze we need to be broken for us to become useful in this life. For us to be dangerous at our place of mission manze, sometimes you need to be broken. And so I'm just here to encourage you that whatever unadhania manze ina break on the negative